the human does, and I think it's really the function of AI, is the human takes a lot of information in, and the human has to put that together in order to create a semantic environment, a picture of where I am, what threats are around, where I can or should not fly, and keep the aircraft in a safe state, fly in a safe corridor. And so we reserve artificial intelligence for that kind of higher level processing. And you'll notice today that I did not even mention AI touching the controls. In our applications today, we use artificial intelligence in order to support the pilot and augment his or her capabilities. Yeah, so on the first implementation, this thing called Pilot Eye. It is a traffic awareness system, so it goes on a traditional traffic display. It's, anything that you expect to see on SkyDemon, ForeFlight, or your installed traffic display that is, running, has a task running behind it. So we integrate with, on this system for fixed wing, we integrate with the Avidyne IDF or IFD 550, and Skytrax plugs into it. And so we fuse the ADS-B base source in with the visual base source, and on the traffic display, we push the ADS-B. If the object is detected by an ADS-B, then that is what gets pushed to the traffic display. If not, then we push to a visual, and then we have a different symbology for the visual-based system or object. We have a public partnership with Avidyne. I showed Leonardo. We also have Moog. We have a public partnership with them. We're invested by Honeywell, so many partnerships. Awesome, thank you.